Hello, my name's Jeremy Nathaniel Akers, and I'm going to explain to you how in 3 years we create a marketplace for hive minds. Liberating structures are a collection of 33 distinct psychotechnologies for distributed cognition. Each liberating structure has a learning journey that can be described in these 4 phases. This is the progression of my learning journey circa 2021 to give you an example of how this thing will work and look. I want to create an NFT or a D app, I don't fucking know, that queries a wallet and looks for NFTs of particular types. In this instance, type liberating structures learning journey. It would render those NFTs or that learning journey in 3 different statuses: the current status of my learning journey with a particular structure, the previous status of my learning journey, and the open possibilities of the things that I have left to learn. Once we've created this tool that helps people document, keep track of, and organize their learning journey, we can use attestations to keep a track record of the actual progression or usage of these individual liberating structures tools. That second move, having a track record that helps me establish my credibility of using these tools, and you can also think of it as a description of the quality of my thought in a very meaningful way. We open up the possibility to create a marketplace for distributed cognition, for human intelligence. By offering a question that has never been asked before, I can describe the process of thinking I want people to use to explore and answer that question. And I can describe the people in terms of type, quality, amount, groups, the squad, the hive, the cluster, the party, however you want to think about it, the sort of archetypes that I want to put in that process around that question. So the track record enables me to answer this one. This stuff people dream up. This we're providing based on liberating structures being one open source toolkit, but there are many others that we can use to describe how we want people to think about their particular questions. So what makes this different than Quora or asking an AI is that we can ask questions that have never been thought of or answered before. And live human intelligences can throw into that process, creating artifacts of these thinking that, again, we can make use of magic internet technology to decide what type of permissions we put around who can use this data, what's the economy for it look like. I think in 3 years, 5 years tops, we have ourselves a marketplace for hive minds.